What's up, guys? Thomas here. I see you eyeing my Nutter Butter cereal. My friend sent me these. I don't think they make it anymore, but this shit is delicious. Anyways, let's get back to what this video is really about. Today I am excited because something came in the mail. It is something I've been wanting to purchase, but I found the next best alternative. Let's check it out. Oh, let me go get it first. It just got delivered. It's like sitting outside. Here it is, a big ass box. What is in this thing? Let's check it out. All right, guys, so what's in this big box? Let me quit beating around the bush and tell you what I got here. So, basically, I've been going down the rabbit hole of the one wheel, and I've been wanting to try one out. And around here, there's nobody that has one wheels because I live in a little small town. But anyways, what I did find is there's a website called suprent.com, and you can rent a one wheel from them for 3, 5, maybe 10 days. I did the 5-day rental. It came out to $200, or like a little bit over $200. First off, let me tell you, I'm not affiliated with them at all. I paid full price for this just to test the service out, and I'll probably give you a further review on that later. But anyways, I went online, I rented it, I told them what day I wanted it delivered, and boom, it got here. It's delivered. So pretty much what it is, you rent the one wheel from them, and they send it to you in a box, and I'm guessing it comes with prepaid packaging to send it back. So here it is, the one wheel's here. Let's open up this box and check it out. One flap, 2 flap, 3 flaps. Let's check it out. So, here's a little disclaimer letter from SupRent, not Sup Rentals, my bad, suprents.com. Pretty much, keep all the packaging, don't lose any of this shit, and wear helmets. Oh, check it out. Return label. Boom! Let's put it back on the box, zip it in. So what do we got in here? Oh, shit. This thing's heavy. Check it out. Fresh out of the packaging. One Wheel Plus. Shipped in its little box. I've never ridden one of these before, and I'm so freaking excited. But I'm definitely going to make more videos about that. But right now, this is just the unboxing video. Holy moly. Alright, so this is the top of the box. Over here you have the charger. And caddy corner of the box, you have the actual one wheel. And a bunch of one wheel cards. I don't know why they give you that, but anyways. So check it out. Here's the one wheel. This is from SupRents. They threw a little sticker on there. As you can tell, this bad boy has been used and abused. You got the fender. I believe this is the front. This is the rear. And there you have the big ass wheel. You hit the button, it's on. Boop. Boop. I believe there's an app to check the charging. I'm just going to go ahead and charge it and maybe connect it to an app. That way I have all day to ride this thing. But as you can see, it's working out of the box, and I can't wait to ride this thing and, you know, bust my ass a couple times because it's going to happen. But I look forward to making an actual review video or me riding this video, and that should be fun. But for now, this is the unboxing of the One Wheel Plus from Sup Rentals. Remember, they're not paying me for this, so bam.